Hello guys, this is your host Lucas and you are watching a new episode of the Numberverse. Today we gonna solve this expression for x using the geometry, so if you want to give it a try, pause the video and when you are ready keep watching to know the solution. So first have a look inside the roots. There is 16 and 9 which are as same as 4 and 3 squared respectively, so when we have a difference of 2 squares incept a square root, we can actually construct right triangle, so let's construct it. Now we have a right triangle here, so let's call this A, B and C. By the Pythagoras theorem we know that A squared plus B squared is equals to C squared. But we don't want to look at the sum of two squares, instead we want to see a difference of two squares, so let us minus the B square on both sides and take the square root on both sides, so we get A is equal to under square root C squared minus B squared. So now I'll draw a right triangle here and the sides will be under root 4 square minus x squared as base, 4 as hypotenuse and x as perpendicular according to previous right triangle shown. So if you have done some calculus with strict substitution you'll be like, oh yeah, that right. Now for the second part we can also do the same thing, but this time we don't draw another triangle on the side somewhere because we have to the 5 as their sum, so we put it together. The 3 is the hypotenuse, and under root 3 square minus x squared is base and x is the perpendicular. Now you can see that on the bottom we have this first term plus the second term, it must be equal to 5, as it is mentioned in the question. So now if we take the area of this big triangle we will find the value of x. We know the area is half base multiplied by height, and when we take this as base and height, we get area is equal to half 5x, and now when we take this as base and height, we get half 3 multiplied by 4, when we compute this expression we get 5x equals to 12, and by dividing both sides by 5 we get x is equal to 12 by 5, as we use geometry to solve this algebra equation, so it's not totally correct, because for geometry the x has to be positive, but we are trying to answer the original question. And of course positive x and negative x both will satisfy this equation, so the answer for this equation will be x is equal to plus or minus 12 over 5. I hope you liked this video. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more such content. If you have any interesting brain teasers or puzzles, you can share it to us through Instagram. Thanks for your support.